What if Jesus came back with a yo-yo? Wouldn't that be fun? You could have all the tricks and all the things that make the style of a yo-yo. With a bit of Jesus? Wouldn't that be nice for yous? I think so. Shy to talk, but what content? And the yo-yo? I says, ooh. That'd be very, 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 very nice. Ooh, you touched my heart. He was a carpenter after all. He needs a bit of string and a bit of wood. With my yo-yo friendlies. That's what you are, my friendlies. Jesus with the yo-yo, yum-yums.